Assalamualaikum. Today I will show you how to insert a link in an email. Suppose you are writing an email and like this, and you are necessary to add a link here. So what can you do? You can come here YouTube, and randomly if you want to like share this video with someone, you get three dots and share option, and then you get the URL, copy this. That's it. Now if you want to share the link with someone, what you can do, simply just Ctrl plus V and you will get the link pasted here, but it is not giving a professional look. So to give more professional looks, what can we do? We will use a simple trick, and it's super easy. Like suppose you want to hyperlink this. Hyperlink means when someone will click this word, he will jump to the specific video. So how can we do this? For this, like I am selecting this word. After selecting this, just press Ctrl plus K. Ctrl plus K, that's it, and you will get this, and then this box you have to put the URL, and I'm again Ctrl plus V, and this is the URL given here, and okay. And you will see that at first it was black, and now the word Arduino has become blue. Now if you press here, you can see the go to link. So if you press this, I think now that how easily you can jump to the video or to any link you want to share with someone. That's it. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.